Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to our MCMC world. In this video, we will introduce the iteration module of the MCMC optimizer. The iteration module defines the life cycle of the optimization phases. We provided the two classic types of the iteration module. The mass iteration defines the mass running iteration and how the temperature changes over time by changing the running temperature curves. The no-cause change iteration, as the name suggests, it will stop if the cause of the last X iterations did not change exceeds the threshold. Of course, you can create your iterations using our template. Here is the example of the mass iteration. For more details about the custom iterations, please refer to the documentation. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.